Hi, today I'm going to walk you through how to use the Pockit Handgun cleaning set. This compact all-in-one kit makes it easy to keep your handgun clean whether you're at home, at the range, or out in the field. Here we have the handle and the cleaning accessories. First, we'll attach the rod section with the brass end to the handle. If one rod isn't long enough for the barrel you're cleaning, simply attach the second rod section. In this case, the barrel I'm cleaning requires the additional rod section, so I've gone ahead and added that. Next, screw on the bore brush to the end of your rod. Once the brush is secure, apply a small amount of CLP of your preferred cleaner to the brush and inside the barrel. Then, you're going to make 2 to 4 passes through the bore, more if needed, making sure the brush fully clears the barrel each time to loosen fouling and debris. Once I'm finished with the bore brush, the next step is to follow up with either a mop or a jag. Today I'll be using the jag along with our cotton flannel patches. Recommended size for 9mm is 2 1/4 inches. With the jag attached, pierce the patch and push it through the barrel in a single pass. Repeat this step as many times as needed until the patch comes out clean. This means your bore is free of fouling. Once you're finished cleaning, it's time to break down your rod. Begin by disassembling the rod and attached accessories. Our handle features a quick lock and unlock release mechanism. Just press the red button to disconnect the section attached to the handle. Once all components are separated, they can be neatly stored in the opposite end of the handle, keeping your gear organized and making pack-up quick and easy. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the full KleenBore lineup for reliable, affordable firearm care accessories, designed to keep your firearms performing at their best.